All right, so I've already downloaded the Mailchimp app. You download it from the App Store, and then you go ahead and open it up. Now it's similar. It's the same thing that you have in the phone, in the web version, just that it's more concise. So when you open it, you first see like your dashboard, your home page. Then you have the explore. You have the explore page, which has different types of information. It's like a blog. Then you have audience, where you see the people that are subscribed to your mailing list. So you can go ahead and see the people that are subscribed to your mailing list. You can see average subscribe rates, or people that are unsubscribed, people that were cleaned. You can see audience growth and all of this. So if you do last 30 days today, since last send, you can go ahead and see the people that are actually on the list. So you see the names. You can also see who has opened, who has clicked by selecting all these. You see who opened and who clicked. Then you come to campaigns. Campaigns is where you see all the landing pages you've created, all the emails you have sent, and then you see the reports beside it. So here we'll have 4.9% of people opened it. Here 12.9% opened it, and so on. Then you can see for the landing pages, so landing page 44 subscribes and so on. So by clicking this three lines at the corner, you can now select emails if you want to see only emails, only automations, only landing pages, and so on. Now reports, this is where you see your email reports. So you can open it, you can open the email, you can see how many people opened it by selecting here. You can see how many people clicked on it, so they show you the percentage and the number. Then you can see how many people received it. If anybody unsubscribed, then you can see the 24-hour performance. So you see the time people opened it the most, and so on. You can see the total number of people that have opened it so far, and all of that. And then you can click here. So you see all of that. You can resend to non-openers if you want, and then you go back. So let's come to home. Let's go to campaigns, and you see that this plus comes out. So if you want to create a landing page using your phone or an email, let's use an email, you use the plus sign. So these are my saved templates. So you can decide to use featured layouts or save templates. So I'll just use my save template, and then I'll select, and then it will open up. So you can see that my template, which I have saved, has opened up. I've saved this template previously. So what I'm just going to do is that if I want to change this image, I'll just tap on the image. Sorry, before that, you select the template. So by clicking select, I'm selecting this template to use. Okay, so it's now that we can go ahead and edit it. So you can decide to change the title, campaign title. You can decide to change it. You can by tapping on all these options. So I'm canceling that. You can decide to choose the recipients. So you select how many people do you want to receive this, the email subject, the preview text. Do you want your from name to be your full name, or you have another name you want to use? Then you're now going to preview and edit. So now here, if you tap this image, you can remove it, you can change it. So when you tap the image, I'm going to select edit, right? And then you can remove it. You can add a link to it by saying edit link. Once you're done with whatever you want to, you can replace the image. Go ahead and say save and close. You tap on this text here. You can say edit. If you want to edit it, you can duplicate it if you want to duplicate it. So if you say duplicate, it's just going to duplicate. You can see that if you say move, then you can move it down using these arrows, or you can move it up. So it depends on you. So you just use all these, and you can say delete. Then when it comes to the text, you select edit, and you come in here and you write whatever it is that you want to write, and you close. So you can see that everything is more concise here. The options are not all showing the way to show on a web page. When you are done, you select done. You do save and exit, or you can try to look at it the way it would look on a desktop so that you can preview it. If you want to add to it, you can go ahead and say add. So let's say you want to add another place that has an image. You can go ahead and do that. So you can go ahead and say add. So let's go back to mobile. So let's say we want to add. Okay, it has come up. Let's say we want to add social follow. So let's look for where it has added it. So it has added it at the top, and then you can go ahead and move this. So you can move it down by using these up and down arrows to wherever it is that you want it to be. So that is it. If you want to add in new content, you can go ahead and delete it and so on. Then you save and exit when you're done. So once you're done with everything and you've looked at it and it's okay, then you can go ahead and select send. So I won't be selecting send now because I don't want to send it. To send a test email, this is what you use. You send a test email here. So it's always advisable to send a test email before you send any email at all, so that you can see how it shows up in your email. Now, if you wanted to create a landing page, you will still use the same format in which I've shown you. So it says set your logo. You haven't set your logo. Make a statement, you know. Alright, so for your landing page, you can go ahead and put the title. It says hold and publish, but we're not ready to publish anything yet. So let's go back. So do you want to add an image to your landing page? You add an image. Do you want to add any buttons and so on? You can see that this using creating a landing page here is a bit complicated as compared to when you use the website. So that's what I was saying, that some of the things are easier to do on the website. So basically that's how to navigate through the Mailchimp phone version. Before I go, let me also mention you can go ahead and view your account by tapping on your profile picture just right here. So you see beside the search button, I'll just go ahead and tap my profile picture. So if you have more than one account, which I do, you can switch accounts here. So you can say switch account and select the other one that you want. You can add a logo, you can connect another account, you can log out, you can see your notifications. So that's all about the Mailchimp phone application.